Welcome to A Global Kitchen. My name is Cameron Stout. I'm a chef, author, and traveler. To celebrate the launch of my channel, A Global Kitchen, I'll be participating in Veganuary, or Vegan January. Each day, I'll be cooking and sharing a vegan recipe from my cookbook, Vegetarian Vietnam. All but 3 recipes in my cookbook are vegan, so there are plenty of delicious recipes to choose from. In 2012, my family moved to Hanoi, Vietnam, because of my wife's work as a Canadian diplomat. Shortly after our arrival, our son announced he would only eat vegetarian food. So our family's eating habits changed and evolved. And my interest grew in learning more about the vegetarian options within Vietnamese cuisine. I visited local wet markets to learn more about Vietnamese ingredients, like the wide variety of herbs and how Vietnamese cook pair specific herbs to certain dishes. I learned more about imitation meats made from plant protein like tofu, tofu sheets, seitan, and fruits and vegetables like young jackfruit, mushrooms, that help Vietnamese cooks make fabulous vegetarian dishes. And how foods such as soy sauce, fermented soybeans, fermented tofu, dried mushrooms, seaweed, black pepper, and miso are transformative vegetarian staples and help increase the umami or meatiness of a dish. I learned that some street food vendors and restaurants would switch to a wonderful vegetarian menu on the 1st and 15th day of each lunar month, when many Vietnamese follow the Buddhist practice of eating vegetarian. I cooked with monks and nuns in secluded Buddhist pagodas surrounded by forests of pine trees. Cooking in basic kitchens, often fueled by wood, they prepare simple, nourishing meals. For monks and nuns, cooking and eating is an act of mindfulness. Before every meal, they perform a ritual prayer to offer appreciation and gratitude for all that went into the preparation of the meal. Often the community comes together to celebrate special occasions in the Buddhist calendar. I visited the main Cao Dai temple in the city of Tay Ninh, an hour northwest of Saigon. Cao Dai is a unique homegrown religion where followers practice vegetarianism on sacred days and the more devout are vegetarian full-time. I studied with home cooks who specialized in their regional cuisine and learned the secrets of Vietnamese home cooking. I was lucky to spend time learning from Vietnam's Julia Child, Miss Van, herself a vegetarian who has recently become a Buddhist nun. I've tried my best to remain true to the interplay of flavors and ingredients Vietnamese cooks use when preparing these dishes, but also practical in the availability and use of ingredients. So come learn how to make classic dishes like pho, fresh and fried rolls, and banh mi, salads like refreshing pomelo and crisp kohlrabi, comforting dishes like tofu with tomato sauce, squash and sweet potato coconut milk soup, curried vegetable stew, and bananas with tapioca and coconut milk. I look forward to cooking vegan Vietnamese dishes with you each day during the month of January. I'll see you in the kitchen.